So we got the squad here that we're driving up. We've got 4 of us in the car. We got Johnny B driving us right here.
Let's go.
We got Roar Daddy. You remember him from the road trip?
Yes, sir.
And we got Rach, new to the squad. Let's do it. So we'll see you guys once we get up there. We're gonna do a quick Walmart stop to pick up some supplies and then hit Devil's Lake. A trip to Devil's Lake, you guys, is not complete unless you make a little stop at Chick-fil-A.
Chicken. Chicken for Johnny. I'll take a number 7, please.
What do you want to drink in that chicken burrito one?
Can I get a little OJ action?
A little OJ action, gotcha. Okay. And what's the next one that you wanted for the number 7?
Number 7 with a nice OJ would be nice.
Okay,
Very nice.
Oh, Milo's hooking it up with the good stuff. Thank you there, Milo.
Yo, you got a little vodka for the Gatorade? Or for the OJ or what? Gracias.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's Johnny Be Good right there.
Appreciate you.
Good cock blocking me, dude.
Johnny Be Good, drive-through.
Oh, they put Johnny Be Good?
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's Johnny Be Good. Oh, there we go. Time for a little chicken sausage burrito. Let's go.
Oh yeah, chairs.
Alright guys, we just made it to the first pit stop here at Walmart before we hit the hikes here. We got 2 more joining the group. Scars, you remember her from the 21-day road trip, and we have Ken's. So
what's up?
Yeah, we got the squad, and then we're gonna fill up, get some groceries, get some claws, and we'll see you right after. Walmart stop, check, got all the supplies, and now we're only 4 minutes away from Devil's Lake. So keep that in mind. If you guys need to grab any extra camping supplies, food, whatever it might be, you have Walmart super close to you, so you don't even need to stock up on too much because it's just a quick drive right over. You can get everything from firewood to camping gear. I mean, obviously we're talking Walmart. So see you guys over at Devil's Lake. All right guys, we just found a campsite, luckily. During COVID season, everyone is looking to get out, do some camping, and definitely check out Devil's Lake, being one of the top state parks around here. First campsite we made it to, which was supposedly cheaper and only about 2 miles away. Yeah, I wouldn't go there because dude was just not nice to us at all.
We just got kicked out before we were in.
Exactly. Yeah, we didn't even make it in yet. We didn't even do anything, got kicked out. But luckily, we found this great place, Oaks Campground, 10 bucks per person per night. Even has a pool. You can get your firewood in here as well. So it's a one-stop shop basically. It's only about 15 minutes or so from Devil's Lake, so not too bad of a drive, and a good place to hang out for the night. So let's go explore the campground. All right, campsite located.
Oh yeah, let's go.
This is where we're gonna be posting up the next 24 to 36 hours. All right, we're here, home for the next 24 to 36 hours. Nice little spot hidden right here in the corner in the woods. Got the picnic tables, got the spot for a fire, 2 cars pulled up, and it's time to maybe relax, enjoy a couple of White Claws while we're hanging out for a bit, maybe stop by the pool, and then show you guys Devil's Lake. Not gonna lie, we seem like we're first time campers because this fire took way too long to get going. I spent probably 20 minutes trying to get it going along with Rach, so we're both at fault here. Luckily though, we had Ranger Regina who takes over for Ranger Rick. So got this thing roasted.
Check it out!
Oh yeah.
I don't know what they would do without me.
Boys, getting that little Penske going. Got the expert campers full speed ahead. All right, we got to give Morgan the credit. She made the tent go up a little quicker than the boys were getting it up. Full on palace here, 6-person suite. Oh yeah, there we go. After doing a little swimming, next step here is to do a little grilling. So I'll tell you, in order to do the full camping experience, you need to get one of these mesh grills that you put right on the top of the fire, and then you can cook the burgers right on top. You're getting the full experience. It's a little bit better than the, your classic propane grill. All right, we've got the full squad here finally after the day started. We've got Dirty Deeds Dylan, aka Don Pedro. You remember him from the 21-day road trip? Guy's the legend and he's here. So now it's time to do a little bit of hiking. We'll see you guys down at Devil's.
sick. Alright, so this is what you want to do. Yeah, so then if you go there, take a left, you should be good.
All right, the squad finally made it down here to Devil's Lake, and we're doing a little sunset hike based on a recommendation actually from a worker from Walmart. And she lives actually just a couple blocks away from Devil's Lake, and so we were like, okay, what would you recommend for sunset? So that's how we ended up here on Pothole Trail for our first trail hike of Devil's Lake, where we're gonna be exploring it. And so far, it's pretty beautiful. It's not a Yosemite vibe, but hey, for Wisconsin, this is stunning. And so we're gonna go a little bit further, show you guys what it looks like from above. We're about 20 minutes into the hike, sweating just a little bit, but it's because it's a little bit humid. Not too bad of a hike, but there is a lot of elevation very early on. But you have a bunch of viewpoints where you can stop, hang out for a bit, especially at sunset, enjoy that lake, see those views. Absolutely stunning. Get a couple grams too. So we'll see you up there. All right guys, made a little more distance. We're almost to the top now. We've got to be somewhere around like 5 minutes away. We asked someone maybe 6 minutes ago, something like that, maybe 10 minutes ago. They said we're 15 minutes away, so I guess it all depends on how fast you walk. But the views here at sunset, as I've said a couple times already, are really, really beautiful. There's not that many people here too, even during COVID when the place is full. So super excited to be here and explore Devil's Lake. I'm really breaking up a sweat now. Broke away from the group because everyone needed a couple breaks. And as much as I needed a break too, I wanted to get some footage of the sunset. So now I'm cruising down the trail pretty quick, but daylight is coming to a very quick end. But the trail is really nice, guys. Like if you're thinking about doing a trip into the Devil's Lake area, this is the first hike and I'm already loving it. So highly recommend it. And bring that water, because if it was midday right now, I don't even think the 3 liters that I have in my bag would be enough. Ooh, almost tripped there. That's a risk with shooting video while hiking. But hopefully I'll be able to show you guys the peak before the sun goes down. I'm confident we will, but we shall see. I must say, you start to figure out what 15 minutes means to some people and not others, because I literally have just been running through this trail and either I took the wrong turn or she just completely underestimated the distance, because like I'm not a slow walker and still not even close. Left the group back so long ago, just cruising through these trails alone right now. I don't mind though, because if we can catch that sunset, so worth it. Totally trusted my instincts and trusted a stranger, and I was like, hey, where's the really good sunset spot? Totally forgot the name of the trail, or I didn't forget, I just forgot to mention it to him, and he's like, oh yeah man, it's this way. So the rest of the group went all the way up to the point. I've been following this trail for probably 25 minutes, got to a pretty nice spot to hang out at, but found out I never made it to the top, so that's on me. But still beautiful, can't complain with views like this. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit creepy walking through here. I'm trying to find the rest of the group, but I went so far off track that whole time I was running that I have so many steps to retrace, because literally I was running through some of it. So I made a pretty far distance, and I'm starting to think that where I ended up was like where the other side of this trail starts from a different entrance of Devil's Lake. And so that's how you know I made quite a distance. But honestly, it's kind of cool being in here right now. It's like a little creepy and eerie because nobody's around, the bugs, sun's almost set. So we're not out west, there's not bears, but you never know what else you'll find here in Wisconsin. See you guys. All right, we met up with a squad. After
Found them.
the last 3 miles or so, dodged the bears, dodged the rabbits, and the coyotes. So I don't know if there's any actual bears out here, but I heard a few things, bushes rustling, and these guys got to the top spot up there. So how was it?
We got the views. It would have been a lot better if little Machiavelli and the Sally made it out there with us, but we got him back.
Yeah.
He's back in action.
Is it a
spot?
spot?
The hike down.
Is it a spot for the people to go?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a view.
Hike.
It's worth the hike. It's a view. Straight uphill. It's gonna be a glute workout. So
without a doubt,
be prepared to get those glutes working. But once you get back down, you know you're feeling good. You're feeling lit, and you're ready for round 2.
Never been better. We'll see you at Devil's Lake tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning.
Good morning, guys. We are in our second day of exploring Devil's Lake. We've got the squad all ready for our next hike.
What up?
Good news is today's gonna be a much easier hike because we're just doing more of a flatland trail walk around. But we're also gonna be catching more of it during daylight. So we'll show you guys once we get over there. It's about a 15-minute or so drive. How's it looking there, Morgan?
It's scary. The devil's somewhere back there.
Doorway to the clinch top.
All right, guys, we're doing about a 2-mile round trip right here on East Bluff Trail, which is ironic because this is the trail I ended up on when I lost the group yesterday. So these views look very, very similar to what I already hiked around and explored. But I will say, being here during the day is a little bit nicer because you can actually see some of the things a little bit better. So we'll show you a little bit further down the trail. It's about 1 mile each way. Right here we have the famous elephant rock. You can see the ears right in this area. Kind of cool. Alright guys, and that's Devil's Lake for you. A great place you can come, spend the weekend, do a couple trails. You can also rent kayaks right on the water. There's a beach and also a great place to go scuba diving. Some of the clearest water in Wisconsin. So definitely come check this place out, guys. We'll see you in the next video, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and make sure to smash that like button. We'll see you in the next video.